Welcome to our channel. Today we're presenting a recipe you're sure to adore. Get ready for the innovation of the year, Lotus cookies. Let's check which ingredients we'll need. First, we need 250 grams of Lotus Biscoff wafers. Next, prepare 110 grams of powdered sugar and 270 grams of butter. Don't forget 400 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 whole eggs. Process the ingredients to knead firm dough. Use a food processor for ease. Let the dough rest, then roll out the dough to a thickness of 3 mm. Cut out various patterns. Leave the decoration to the grandchildren. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Keep a close eye on it so the cookies don't burn. Glue the cookies together with Nutella. The decoration we leave on your fantasy. Don't be afraid to experiment and create unique pieces. Enjoy your delicious Lotus cookies with family and friends. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Bon appetit, and see you in next recipe of Variety Family. If you want to support us, give us a like and subscribe.